Good morning children. So today we are going to see how to write a table. Okay, so we'll start with two tables. So what you are going to do is you are going to write tables like this. First, in the left side, 2 ones are, okay, 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 threes are, 2 fours are, 2 fives are, 2 six are, 2 sevens are, 2 eights are, 2 nines are, 2 tens are. You have written like this. Now you are going to fill this side with the answers, with the products of this two. First look at the first number. 2 ones are. So you know, when you multiply a number with 1, whichever the number may be, you will get the same number, right? So 2 ones are will be 2. So you got 2 in the first. Okay, now in the second one, 2 twos are. For this, what you will do is, you will add 2 to the first number. 2 in your mind, 2 in your finger. After 2, 3, 4. You got 4. Now 2 threes are. See, here you have 4. Into to the 4, you should add 2 more. Okay, 4 in your mind, 2 in your finger. After 4, 5, 6. Next, you got 2 fours are. You got 2 threes are 6. You should add 2 to this 6. So 6 in your mind, 2 in your finger. After 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. Now you got 8 here and 2 fives are. You have to add 2 more for 8. So 8 in your mind, 2 in your finger. After 8, 9, 10. Now you finished with 10. 2 10, add 2 more. So 10 in your mind, 2 in your finger. After 10, 11, 12. So 2 sevens are. You got 12 in 2 6 are. So for 2 6 are, you should add 2 more. So 12 in your mind, 2 in your finger. After 12, 13, 14. Now here you got 2 eights are. For 2 eights are, you should add 2 more to 2 sevens are, which is 14. So 14 to 14, you should add 2 more. 14 in your mind, 2 in your finger. After 14, 15, 16. Now you got 16. To 16, add 2 more. 16 in your mind, 2 in your finger. 16 after 17, 18. 17 and 18. So now you got 18 here. To 18, add 2 more. 18 in your mind, 2 in your finger. After 18, 19, 20. So this is how you should write a table. Okay, what you do is, you get the number for first one. Whenever you are multiplying 1 with any number, you will get the same number. Right? So you will write the same number. 2 ones are 2. Then after that, what table is it? 2 table. Right? So you should add 2 more to all the numbers to get the next value. So for when you added 2 to this number, you got 4. After that you added 2 more, you got 6. After that you added 2 more, that you got 8. After that you added 2 more, which you got 10. And then 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Okay. Now we are moving on to the next table, which is third table. What you should write is 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 3 threes are, 3 fours are, 3 fives are, 3 six are, 3 sevens are, 3 eights are, 3 nines are, 3 tens are. Now first you know that whenever you multiply any number with 3, 1, you will get the same number. So 3 multiplied with 1 will give you 3. Now for the second one, you should add, see, since this is a 3 table, you should add 3. Okay, so here you got 3 in your mind, 3 in your finger. After 3, 4, 5 and 6. So next, what you should do? 6 in your mind, 3 in your finger. After 6, 7, 8 and 9. So after 9, You should add more, 3 more. 10, 11, 12. So 12 in your mind, 3 in your finger. After 12, 13, 14 and 15. So 15 in your mind, 3 in your finger. After 15, 16, 17 and 18. After 18, 18 in your mind, 3 in your finger. After 18, 19, 20 and 21. So you got 21. So after that, 21 in your mind, 3 in your finger. After 21, 22, 23 and 24. Now you got 24 here, 24 plus 3, 24 in your mind, 3 in your finger. After 24, 25, 26 and 27. You got 27, 27 in your mind, 3 in your finger. After 27, 28, 29 and 30. So when you are telling the table, after writing this, what you should do? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Okay, so this is how you should write the tables. Now I will write one more table, which is 4 table, and 5th table you should write by yourself. Okay, after that 6 table, 7 table, 8 table, 9 table and 10 table are given in your book with your answers. What you should do is, you should learn the tables thoroughly. Okay, you should learn them and write a test and send it to me. Okay, that will be your homework. What is your homework? You have to write, you have to learn the tables, all the tables, 2nd table, 3rd table, 4th table, 5th table, 6th table, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Okay, all these tables you have to learn. Okay, learn 2 tables in 1 day. Okay, the next whole week you have to learn one table 1 day or 2 tables 1 day. Okay, so learn them, write them and send it to me. Okay, now we are going to see 5th table. So first what you should do? You should write 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 5 threes are, 5 fours are, 5 fives are, 5 sixes are, 5 sevens are, 5 eights are, 5 nines are, 5 tens are. Okay, so now what you should do? You should write for the first one. 5 ones are. You know that when you multiply any number with 1, you will get the same number. So if you multiply 5 with 1, you will get 5. Next one. For the next, what you should do? You should add this, since this is a 5th table, you should start adding 5 to each number. So from the first number, you should add 5 to that number. So you got 5 here. So 5 in your mind, 5 in your finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Here you got 10. So 10 in your mind, again 5 in your finger. 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So next, what you should do is 15 in your mind, 5 in your finger. After 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So you got 20 here. 20 in your mind, 5 in your finger. 20 after 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So now you got 25. So 25 in your mind, 5 in your finger. 25 after 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So 30 in your mind, 5 in your finger. After 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. 35 in your mind, 5 in your finger. After 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Again 40 in your mind, 5 in your finger. After 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So 45 in your mind, 5 in your finger. After 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So what you should do? You have to tell the table again. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50. Okay, now there is one more table left, which is 4th table, that you have to do as your homework. Okay, that you have to finish as a homework, and then you have to learn one table each day. Okay, so today you will start learning second table, right? As I already told you to learn from second table to 6th table, then also you learn the second table, and then after that move to the third table tomorrow, and then 4th table the next day, 5th table the other day. Okay, one day each table, learn them and write them properly, send it to me. That will be your homework. Okay, see you in the next class. Bye.